Kia is releasing a completely redesigned 2027 Telluride that transforms America's value king into something that looks and performs like it costs twice as much. If you're shopping for a 3-row SUV right now, you need to know what's coming in just a few months. While most automakers jack up prices by thousands when they redesign a vehicle, Kia is keeping the Telluride affordable while adding a hybrid powertrain, premium interior, and bold new styling that rivals luxury SUVs. Stay with us as we reveal 6 reasons to wait for the incredible 2027 Kia Telluride. Number 6. Next level luxury. The current Telluride offers solid quality and decent materials, but stepping inside the 2027 model, that's entering a completely different league. Kia is transforming the interior from functional into genuinely premium territory. 2 massive 12.3-inch screens dominate the front, one for infotainment, one serving as the digital instrument cluster. The graphics are sharper, the response time is quicker, and the overall interface feels worlds apart from the current setup. Everything looks remarkably upscale for a vehicle in this price range. Materials throughout the cabin are taking a major step up. Higher quality leather, real wood trim, and soft touch surfaces are replacing the harder plastics found in the outgoing model. The attention to detail is borderline obsessive. The overall fit and finish is approaching what you'd expect from luxury badges, not mainstream brands. Tech features are multiplying. Wireless smartphone integration comes standard across the entire lineup. Anyone who's fumbled with charging cables while navigating knows this frustration. Your phone connects the instant you sit down. No cables to plug in, 2 wireless charging pads, standard, heated seats in all 3 rows, available, a 14-speaker Meridian audio system on the options list. Digital Key 2.0 technology lets you unlock and start the vehicle using just your smartphone or Apple Watch. Kia is building a cabin that genuinely competes with luxury 3-row SUVs, costing $15,000 to $20,000 more. But a luxury interior means nothing if the powertrain underneath can't deliver, which is exactly why Kia's next move changes everything. Number 5. It's getting electrified. For the first time in Telluride history, Kia is offering a hybrid powertrain option. This isn't some half-hearted mild hybrid setup. We're talking about a full gas-electric system that fundamentally changes how this SUV performs. The hybrid setup comes straight from the Hyundai Palisade Hybrid, proven technology already winning over buyers. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine working with 2 electric motors. The system routes power through a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive comes standard. Combined output reaches 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than the outgoing V6 ever produced. Kia estimates the Telluride Hybrid will achieve around 35 miles per gallon combined. Compare that to the current model's 20 miles per gallon combined rating. We're looking at a 75% improvement in fuel efficiency while simultaneously gaining power. With an estimated 600-mile total range on a single tank, this hybrid can go coast to coast with minimal fuel stops. The hybrid system introduces Stay Mode. This is a feature that uses the battery pack to run climate controls, cabin lighting, and entertainment systems for up to 20 minutes without firing up the gas engine. Think about waiting to pick up your kids on a hot summer afternoon. The cabin stays cool, the radio keeps playing, all while the engine remains silent and you burn 0 fuel. Towing capacity sits at 4,500 pounds, which handles most family trailers, boats, and recreational equipment. Of course, hybrids aren't for everyone, but Kia isn't abandoning traditional buyers. The base engine is getting impressive improvements too. Number 4. More efficient gas engine. Not interested in the hybrid? Kia isn't leaving you behind. The base powertrain is getting a complete overhaul. The beloved 3.5-liter V6 is gone. In its place sits a modern 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This isn't a downgrade, it's a strategic upgrade that prioritizes what actually matters to daily drivers. Power output lands at 274 horsepower, but torque? That jumps to 311 pound-feet, a massive 49 pound-foot increase over the previous engine. Here's why that matters. Torque is what you feel when accelerating from a stoplight with 7 people aboard. Torque is what pulls your loaded SUV up steep mountain grades without constant downshifting. The new engine pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations remain available. Fuel economy improves noticeably. Expect ratings around 23 to 24 miles per gallon combined for all-wheel drive models. That's a solid bump over the current generation's 19 miles per gallon combined. Over a year of driving, that difference translates to hundreds of dollars staying in your wallet. So the powertrains are impressive, but the physical size increase might matter even more to families. Number 3. More room for rear passengers. Size matters in the three-row SUV segment. Kia made the 2027 Telluride noticeably larger where it counts most. Overall length increases by 2.3 inches, pushing the Telluride to 199.2 inches long. But the real improvement comes from the wheelbase stretch. That measurement grows by 2.7 inches, reaching 116.9 inches between the front and rear axles. This isn't just growing for growth's sake. Every bit of that extra wheelbase translates directly into more interior space. Second-row legroom expands from 42.4 inches to 43.0 inches. Third-row legroom grows from 31.4 inches to 32.1 inches. That's nearly a full inch of gained space. Adults squeeze into most third rows and instantly regret it. The 2027 Telluride is fixing this persistent problem. Adults can actually sit back there now. The third row transforms from emergency seating into genuinely usable transportation. Cargo capacity behind the third row increases from 21.0 cubic feet to 22.3 cubic feet. With all seats folded, total cargo capacity reaches 86.9 cubic feet. Kia redesigned the second row seats. They now fold farther forward, making third row access significantly easier. Here's the brilliant part. Second row car seats can remain installed while you slide the seats forward. Parents with young kids know this solves a massive daily hassle. A standard fold-out luggage table slides out behind the third row, complete with cup holders. Underneath the cargo floor, movable dividers keep everything organized. All this extra room is fantastic, but if the exterior still looked bland, would anyone actually care? Number 2. Bolder and more aggressive exterior. The outgoing Telluride looks handsome, but it lacks that special something, the visual impact that makes people turn their heads. The 2027 model solves this completely. Kia is unleashing a design that's dramatically bolder and more aggressive. The transformation is striking. The new Telluride adopts a wide, high-gloss grille that dominates the fascia. Vertical LED headlights flank both sides with a modern appearance. The hood sits wider and flatter, giving the SUV a more muscular stance. Lower air intakes appear larger and more aggressive. The entire front end screams confidence. The side profile reveals major changes. The roofline is more squared off, especially behind the C-pillar. This creates a more upright, traditional SUV silhouette. Flush door handles reduce drag, while adding contemporary styling flair. Wheel arches feature notched cladding that emphasizes width. New wheel designs range from 18 to 21 inches, depending on trim. Revised vertical taillights stretch taller and look more distinctive. A massive light bar connects the taillights across the tailgate. The liftgate design is boxier, creating more cargo space while looking more purposeful. The X-Pro off-road trim takes styling even further. Black cladding wraps the lower body. Skid plates protect vital components. Recovery hooks mount front and rear. Ground lighting illuminates the area around doors and tailgate. At 9.1 inches, ground clearance reaches seriously capable levels. But here's where Kia pulls off something truly remarkable. All these improvements aren't destroying the affordability that made the Telluride famous. Number 1. Attractive price, excellent value. After all these improvements, you'd expect Kia to jack up prices significantly. New hybrid powertrain, premium interior, bolder styling. Usually, that means thousands of dollars added to the sticker. Not this time. Kia is keeping the 2027 Telluride remarkably affordable, with base models starting under $40,000. That's barely more than the current generation's starting price. A completely redesigned SUV with modern styling, premium interior materials, advanced technology features, and your choice between two excellent powertrains. The value proposition borders on absurd. Competitors charge $10,000 to $15,000 more for similar capabilities. The hybrid model will cost more, around $46,000. But remember what you're getting: 329 horsepower, 35 miles per gallon fuel economy, 600-mile range, and all-wheel drive as standard. Compare that to hybrid competitors. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid starts at $45,000 and delivers significantly less power. The value extends beyond purchase price. Kia's warranty remains one of the industry's best: 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain, 5 years or 60,000 miles bumper to bumper. That means when your neighbor's luxury SUV needs a costly repair at year 6, your Telluride is still covered. The 2027 Telluride arrives at dealerships early next year. That means waiting just a few months gets you a completely redesigned vehicle for essentially the same money. The redesigned Telluride represents everything the three-row SUV market needs: premium materials that rival luxury brands, efficient powertrains that don't sacrifice performance, genuinely usable space for 7 passengers, and pricing that keeps it accessible to families who actually need these capabilities. While competitors keep pushing prices higher, Kia is proving you don't need $60,000 or $70,000 to get a genuinely excellent family SUV. Of course, rivals are preparing themselves for this massive impact by updating their models. One of them is Mazda, which recently updated its flagship, the CX-90, which you can check out in our next video. Known for its smooth six-cylinder engine and wonderful cabin design, this three-row SUV is getting additional refinement in critical areas in order to retain its market position.